Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today's topic is purification and identification of unknown compounds from mixture of TLC. So TLC is called as a thin layer chromatography. Thin layer chromatography method used for separation mixture of non-volatile compound. The TLC plate consists of thin layer absorbent materials like there are two types of phase, stationary phase and aqueous phase. Mobile that is called the mobile phase. The TLC plate is developed by the immersing bottom edge of the developing solvent constitute the appropriate mobile phase. It has done a capillary action to the mobile phase move up to absorbent layers. And the principle of the TLC is chromatography involves the separation of, as we have discussed in previous there are two kind of phase, stationary phase and it has a capillary reaction, and stationary phase affect to the rate at the carried up to the medium, and since different types of compound have the different physical properties, they have carried up to different rates allowed to the separation of the compound of the mixtures. The procedure of the TLC plates. Common absorbent of the TLC are silica gel, ammonia, and cellulose. TLC plates are commercially available with the variety of the property. And for the spotting, dissolve the sample in the suitable solvent to the make a appropriate 1% solution. We have to make 1% solution and dilute the solute and present the concentration between 0.2 to 2.0%. And further, mark the Vaseline with the pencil about the 1.0 centimeter from the bottom of the plate position of the and spot the applied using the glass capillary. To spot the TLC plate, dip the capillary into the solution to draw the small quantity of the liquid. Then gently touch to the tip to desired location on the TLC plate and remove with the immediately. Alternatively, apply the spot into the microliter syringe and delivering the 1 ml of solution in each. Then spot it again and choosing the development solvent and add in the TLC, and the inconvenient way of the find of appropriate mobile phase is the spot of TLC plate with the sample. Apply enough solvent directly to the spot from the circle of the solvent into the solvent 1 to 2 centimeter diameter. And for the visualization, we have to add 50% of distance from the center of the solvent of the front. We have got a separate rings, and then it may be necessary to adjust the polarity of mobile phase and choosing two miscible solvents and testing them in varying proportion. For examples, hexane with ethylene and acetate, and dichloromethane with methane development. Then further we have seen solvent line should we have to assure that the Vaseline mark onto the TLC plate. Then we have seen 5 to 10 mm from the top of the plate. The chamber have been marked by the pencil. Then we have seen visualization, color spot in the visualize immediately marked with the pencil. Often spot are not visible. They visualize some other method like we have used to ultraviolet lamp and fluorescent compound through the fluorescent. It has been shown in a easily in fluorescent compound, so we can use a ultraviolet lamp so we can easily identify the colored spots. And analyzing the retardation factor is the ratio of the distance of the compound travel up to TLC plate to distance solvent travel. This may be determined the measure the distance from the Vaseline to the center of the spot and dividing the value of the distance from the Vaseline, the solvent front, and the RF compound characterized by the physical properties depend on the factors of absorbent, temperature, sample size, and temperature and the activity of absorbent. So finally, we have confirmed the identification of known TLC plate, the different kinds of compound presenting TLC plate. We can easily identify from the thin layer chromatography the different kinds of compound, and we have to analyze from the RF factor. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Thank you.